Hello everyone, welcome back mga karaket for another Racket series content. Again, it's me Chris from the Racket Cova. Okay, so for our content for today, so tuloy-tuloy lang tayo. Ubusin lang natin yung OP15 natin na mga boxes. So this is the 6th box that we're gonna open. So far, we did hit some of the NL's rare card, but unfortunately, we don't have the manga yet. Sana, on the 2 boxes remaining, we're able to hit that one. Diba? So, ayun. Let's open this box. Ayan, open na natin siya lahat for this episode. Kasi, syempre, gusto ko din, i-post na rin kagad yung videos right after I open this box. So, ganun lang siya kadali. So, this box was purchased on Game Line. Ayan. So, nakakuha natin siya from the Game Line. So, i-open na natin siya sabay-sabay para mabilis. Diba? Ganun lang kadali yun. Manga. Here we go, manga. Feeling ko makukuha tayong maganda for today. Diba? Diba yung feeling? Yung feeling, guys. Let's see. Sana may maganda tayong makuha. Something. Ano ba yan? Ang gulo naman. Hindi siya nag-open. Okay. So, all of the... No. May isa dito hindi nabuksan. All of the 24 packs right now are officially open. Ayan. Ayan po sila. So, i-open na po natin yung 24 packs. I-drop ko na lang siya dito sa table ko. Tapos madali. Again, guys, if you are actually a subscriber on my channel, so you know naman the rules, diba? So, if we are able to hit a God pack or a manga in this video, so may mili lang tayo ng ating lucky subscriber, and kung sino man yung nag-comment dyan sa comment section natin on this video, ayan, or naka-like din dapat, you are eligible na mabigyan ng box of your choice. Ayan. And then kapag tayo naka-God pack tayo, box of your choice, and then 1 box of your choice pala, sorry. And then kapag naka-manga tayo, 3 boxes of your choice. Okay? Pag sinabi kong boxes of your choice, syempre, ano yun? Bahala ka na kung gusto mong Gundam, Pokemon, or One Piece yung gusto mong bilhin doon sa store na nandoon sa inyo malapit. Kasi, syempre, sasamahan kita. Ganyan. Huwag na natin kunin yung mga box dito sa likod ko. Kasi for ano yan, yung iba dyan pinapa-open lang talaga sa akin. Okay? So, hiwalay ko lang yung hanggang sa rare na card. Okay? Again, di ba sabi ko sa inyo guys, yung first packs offers good na results. So, tingnan nga natin kung ganun pa din yung nangyayari dito. Yung first pack is ganun nga. Nag-offer sila ng magandang, or yung first 12 packs gives better output or better cards than the others. Okay. Ito yung first set. Siguro, hinati ko naman siya in equal. Ayan. Let's see. 4, 5, and then a rare card. 4, 5, another rare card, rare card, leader card muna, and then rare card. Okay. Leader card ulit and a rare card. So, parang wala. Yeah, leader card ulit and a rare card. Oh, parang ganun yung patterns natin ngayon. Leader card, rare card. Rare card ulit. Oh my god. Wala nang lumabas. Zoro na SR. Yeah, Zoro SR. Nice one. We got one already. One SR out. Another SP. Yan guys. So nakuha natin yung isa sa mga pinakamaganda dito. An SPNL. Diba? SPSR. Yan. Ang ganda. Ganda ng card na to. Yes. So i-sleeves na natin bago pa magkaroon ng sakuna. Ayun na. Sleeves na natin. And then nasaan na yung top loaders? Top loaders. Ayun na. So we got one SP NL. Ngayon dito. Hindi tayo malito. So nasa na itutuloy ko na cards. So ayun, sabi ko nga sa inyo guys, di ba? Get the first 12 packs in every card and then you'll be surprised na nandoon lahat ng magaganda. Oh, diba? Another one. So we got another card which is an SEC card. Ayan. Luffy na SEC. Okay. Wait lang. Busin natin. So nakadalawa na agad tayo. An SP and an SEC card. May panghabol dyan. SP, SEC. Rare card. So wala na, I guess. Just the rare card. Ayan. So ito wala na ito for sure. Diba? So nakuha na natin yung two of the greatest, I think, on the cards. So but still i-open pa din natin yung remaining na half ng deck or ng cards ito. So meron pa naman ditong mga shiny shimmering na items. Hopefully meron pa ding maganda dito. Okay. Ayan. So rare. Another, hindi, ito pala, rare card ulit. And then rare card ulit. Rare card SR. No, rare card lang. Kala ko SR. Rare card. Another rare card, guys. Didikit-dikit na. Another rare card, Sanji. Another rare, SR card. Another SR card. Sabo. Ayan. Leader card. Ayan, favorite yan. So, an SR. Ayan. So, probably, what do you expect here? A rare card na lang. Wala na. So, yun lang guys. So, we got an SPNL. Ayan. So, okay na okay din. Diba? So, yun lang. For more videos like this of opening One Piece trading card games or ripping One Piece packs, ayan, please always click the like and the subscribe button. Again, this is Chris of the Racket Core. See you again on my next episode of opening the last piece of the OP15. Yan, i-open na natin siya for our next episode. Maybe tomorrow. Okay? So, see you guys on the next episode. Bye-bye.